Meet your Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant, your voice-activated co-pilot for every type of journey. Your Mini is all ears, ready to help, making every drive more connected and convenient. With just a few simple words, your Mini personal assistant can control key features like settings, music, navigation, and more. All hands and hassle-free just by using your voice. To activate your Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant for the first time, tap the microphone button on your steering wheel and follow the quick setup prompts. After that, it's as simple as saying, "Hey Mini." From there, speak naturally. No need to memorize commands. Feeling chilly? Tell your Mini, "I'm cold," and it will warm things up for you.
Temperature increased to 74 degrees.
Looking for your favorite music station? Say, "Play First Wave on Sirius XM," or put on 105.1 FM and watch the dial change.
105.1 from FM radio.
Want to fine-tune your vehicle settings? Tell your Mini to adjust my head-up display or ask for help with other features. Mini know-how, right when you need it. How about hands-free dialing? If a contact is saved in your paired phone, just say, "Call Mom." Your Mini will handle the rest, no buttons and no physical phone distractions. And if you need directions, try something like, "Hey Mini, navigate me to get a coffee." Mini will find the nearest coffee shop to pick from. Caffeine fix? Fixed. Not sure of all that your Mini personal assistant can do for you? Just ask, "Hey Mini, what can you do?" You will get 3 examples each time you try.
Here are some things you can ask: find me a coffee shop, show my contact list, and play music from Spotify. What would you like to do?
Say the word, and with the Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant, your voice can take the wheel. Want to learn more? Check out the rest of our how-to series to unlock even more smart features with a Mini twist.